This is Karcher's KM7015C, a very simple and highly effective push sweeper that gives much faster and more consistent sweeping results compared to a broom, and with considerably less effort. The 7015 is very simple and robust, and features one main roller brush and a side brush to sweep up against curbs and edges. The machine is very quiet to use and does a great job of suppressing dust. The side brush height can be adjusted in 3 different positions to suit different sweeping jobs. The waste container collects up to 20 litres of debris and is very easy to empty. The handle folds down to save space, and the machine can even be stored on its back. The machine is very lightweight and easy to move around, and is made with typical Karcher quality. The KM7015C push sweeper. You'll never want to sweep with a broom again.